Hello friends, welcome to our English class. Hope all are safe at home. Okay? In the last class, we discussed the lesson, the race. Am I right? Let us see. Who was the hero in the lesson, the race? Yes, it was Tarun. One more question. What did the lesson teach us? Did you know? Yes, the lesson taught us the secrets of a successful life. What are the secrets? Hard work, dedication, proper motivation, and sportsman spirit are the secrets of a successful life. We should work hard, we should dedicate ourselves, and we should be properly motivated. And everything should take in a sportsman spirit. And look at here. Who is this man? Yeah, everybody knows it. It is Sachin Tendulkar. And I think no one need any introduction to Sachin Tendulkar. Am I right? Yes. Did you ever think how Sachin became the legend of cricket or the god of cricket? Did you ever think? Yes. His hard work, his dedication, his sportsman spirit, and the timely motivations received from others made him the legend of cricket. Today, we are going to learn the second lesson from the first unit, that is, learning the game. The lesson learning the game is an extract taken from the autobiography of our Sachin Tendulkar. Do you know what is an autobiography? Autobiography, it is nothing but a personal account of his life. ആത്മകഥ. സച്ചിന് ഒരു ആത്മകഥയുണ്ട്. Do you know the name? The autobiography of Sachin is Playing It My Way. And this lesson, learning the game, is taken from that autobiography. Let us know more about Sachin Tendulkar. Now, open your textbook. I shall read the passage aloud. While I read aloud, you too read silently and underline the difficult words and refer the glossary. From a very early age, I played tennis, ball, cricket with my colony friends. I loved watching cricket on television and in our games. I often tried to emulate the mannerisms of my favorite players, Sunil Gavaskar and the West Indian legend Vivid Richards. But it wasn't just the batsman that I studied. I also loved bowling throughout my career. I have actually bowled a lot in the nets. Did you understand the paragraph? Let us see. What does the first paragraph tell us? Dear students, in the first paragraph, Sachin tells us that he started playing tennis cricket ball from an early age with his colony friends. തുടങ്ങിയിരുന്നു സച്ചിൻ നേരത്തെ തന്നെ നന്നേ ചെറുപ്പത്തിലെ കളി with his colony friends, or he used to watch cricket on television too. And he had two favorite players. Who were they? Sunil Gavaskar and Vivid Richardson. Used to emulate or imitate their mannerisms too. During those time, he not only practiced batting but also bowling too. നന്നേ ചെറുപ്പത്തിലെ ബാറ്റിംഗ് മാത്രമല്ല സച്ചിൻ പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്തത്, പിന്നെയോ ബൗളിങ്ങും പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്തിരുന്നു. ആർ യു ക്ലിയർ? ഡിഡ് യു ഗെറ്റ് ദ ഐഡിയ? യെസ്. സോ we move on to the second paragraph. I was then studying in the New English School, Mumbai, but my brother Ajit knew that compared to other schools in Mumbai, Sharadasram Vidya Mandir, where Ramakant Achrekar sir was the cricket coach, gave due importance to the game of cricket. He ran summer camps too. Ajit one day took me to the camp to get trained and sir, anyone could come for a trial at the camp, but then it was up to sir to decide who to accept. I was 11 years old then. Achrekar sir, as I refer to him, started playing cricket at the age of 11 in 1943, which is the age I was when I went to him for the first time. Did you get the idea of the second paragraph? Let us see. In the second paragraph, Sachin tells about the New English School, Mumbai. And in New English School, Mumbai, there had no facility for cricket. Ajit, his own brother, knew that in Sharadasram Vidya Mandir, where Achrekar sir was the coach, and he gave due importance to the cricket too. ക്രിക്കറ്റിനും പ്രാധാന്യം കൊടുത്തുകൊണ്ട് അച്ഛരേക്കർ സാർ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്ന ശാരദാശ്രമം വിദ്യാമന്ദിറിനെ കുറിച്ച് അജിത്തിന് അറിയാമായിരുന്നു. ആൻഡ് മോർ ഓവർ ദ സാർ ഹാഡ് കണ്ടക്റ്റഡ് സമ്മർ കോച്ചിങ് ക്യാമ്പ്സ് ടു, ആൻഡ് ദർ വാസ് എ സ്പെഷ്യാലിറ്റി ഫോർ ദ ക്യാമ്പ്. എനിവൺ കുഡ് കം ഫോർ ദ ട്രയൽ. ആർക്കും വരാം ക്യാമ്പിൽ പങ്കെടുക്കാം. ബട്ട് വൺ തിങ്, സാറ് തീരുമാനിക്കും ആരെ സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യണമെന്ന്. ദെൻ അറ്റ് ദ ടൈം സച്ചിൻ വാസ് ഓൺലി 11 years. അതിശയം, അച്ഛരേക്കർ സാറും സാറിൻ്റെ ക്രിക്കറ്റ് കളി തുടങ്ങിയത് ഇതേ 11ാമത്തെ വയസ്സിലായിരുന്നു. Did you get the idea? Shall we move on to the third paragraph? I had never batted in the nets before and felt somewhat overawed with so many people around. When I was asked to bat, I was not at all comfortable. With the sir watching me so closely, I failed to make an impact. Sir called Ajit aside and informed him that I was perhaps too young to make the camp and suggested that he should bring me back when I was a little older. My induction into the Mumbai cricket circuit could have ended in failure, but for Ajit's insistence, having seen me play in the colony, Ajit knew I was capable of performing far better than I had done in front of Achrekar sir. He explained that I was nervous and asked sir to give me one more opportunity. However, he suggested that while doing so, sir should pretend to go away and then watch from a distance. Sir agreed. Before long, I was asked to bat again, and without sir's trained eyes scrutinizing me, or so I thought, I felt more at ease and soon started to hit the ball well. This time, sir agreed to let me join the camp. I was delighted, and I must say it was an opportunity that transformed my life. In the third paragraph, Sachin tells us that it was his first time that he batted in the nets. എന്തു പറ്റി? പേടിച്ചുപോയി സച്ചിൻ. മുൻപിൽ അച്ചരേക്കർ സാർ, കൂടാതെ ഒരു പറ്റം ആളുകളും കളി കാണാൻ. പേടിച്ചേരേണ്ട സച്ചിൻ ഡിഡ് ദ ബാറ്റിംഗ്. പക്ഷേ പിഴച്ചു ബാറ്റിങ്. ആൻഡ് അച്ചരേക്കർ സാർ കോൾഡ് അജിത്ത് aside and told him, തീരെ കുഞ്ഞല്ലേ ഇവൻ, വളരട്ടെ കുറച്ചുകൂടി, അപ്പോഴും നോക്കാം. സച്ചിൻ ലോസ്റ്റ് ഹിസ് ഹോൾ ഹോപ്പ്. എല്ലാ സ്വപ്നങ്ങളും അസ്തമിച്ചു എന്ന് സച്ചിന് തോന്നിയ നിമിഷം. ബട്ട് മൈ ബ്രദർ, Sachin tells that, my brother Ajit played his part well. He directly went to the sir and told him, സാറേ, സച്ചിൻ്റെ പേടി കൊണ്ടാണ് ഇങ്ങനെ സംഭവിച്ചത്. And give him one more chance, please. And one more thing, sir. സച്ചിൻ ബാറ്റ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ സാറ് നടന്നു നീങ്ങുന്നതായിട്ടൊന്ന് ഭാവിക്കണം. എന്നിട്ട് മാറി നിന്ന് കളിയൊന്ന് കാണാമോ? സാർ അഗ്രീഡ്. സച്ചിൻ ബാറ്റഡ്. സക്സസ്. സച്ചിൻ വിജയിച്ചു. അച്ചരേക്കർ സെലക്റ്റഡ് ഹിം ടു ദ ക്യാമ്പ്. ആൻഡ് ഹി ബിക്കെയിം ദ മോസ്റ്റ് ഹാപ്പിയസ്റ്റ് പേഴ്സൺ ഇൻ ദ വേൾഡ്. സച്ചിൻ പറയുന്നു, എനിക്കിത് പറയാതെ വയ്യ. And it was the turning point of my life. Let us go through the fourth paragraph. The camp involved a session every morning and evening at Shivaji Park. Would practice between 7:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. in the morning. Then I would come back in the afternoon and practice till late in evening. The schedule was rigorous and I would be exhausted by the end of the day. Traveling to Shivaji Park took 40 minutes from my house in Bandra and I had to catch an early morning bus to make it on time. For the first few days, Ajit accompanied me to get me used to the routine. During the bus journeys, he would talk to me about the nuances of batting, and I always enjoyed these conversations a lot. In fact, the one thing that I have kept with me all my career is a note that Ajit gave me containing some thoughts about batting. It served as a very personal coaching manual. Dear students, in the fourth paragraph, he had a very strict practice. Starts every morning in between 7:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. And in the afternoon, he had to come back and start the practice again till late in the evening. കൂടാതെ his house is in Bandra. അവിടെ നിന്ന് 40 മിനിറ്റ് ദൂരമുണ്ട് യാത്ര ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട്. So he had to catch an early bus. And by the end of the day, ആകെ ക്ഷീണിച്ച് അവശനായിട്ടായിരുന്നു വീട്ടിലേക്ക് വന്നത്. ഇൻ ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് വീക്സ്, ആദ്യ ദിവസങ്ങളിൽ അജിത്ത് ഹാഡ് അക്കമ്പനീഡ് മീ. എന്തിന്? വഴിയൊന്ന് പരിചയമാക്കി തരാൻ. ആൻഡ് ഡ്യൂറിങ് ദോസ് കോൺവെർസേഷൻസ്, അജിത്ത് യൂസ്ഡ് ടു ഗിവ് മീ എ ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ലെസൺസ് ഓഫ് ദ മൈന്യൂട്ട് ക്രിക്കറ്റ് ടെക്നിക്സ്. എൻ്റെ ജീവിതത്തിലെ ഉടനീളം, എൻ്റെ കരിയറിൽ ഉടനീളം അജിത്ത് പറഞ്ഞു തന്ന ആ സിമ്പിൾ ടെക്നിക്സാണ് എൻ്റെ കരിയറിനെ ഇത്രമാത്രം ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്തതെന്ന് എനിക്ക് പറയാതെ വയ്യ. അതായിരുന്നു എൻ്റെ ജീവിതത്തിലെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ പേഴ്സണൽ മാനുവൽ കോച്ചിങ്. ഹോപ്പ് യു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ് ദ പാരഗ്രാഫ്. ലെറ്റ് മീ നോ വെദർ you understood all the paragraph. Shall I ask you some questions? My question number 1. When did Sachin start playing tennis ball cricket? Yes, he his tennis ball, cricket from an early age with his colony friends. Second question. Who were Sachin's favorite players? Yes, Sunil Gavaskar and Vivid Richards were his most favorite players. My third question. How did Sharadashram Vidya Mandir differ from other schools in Mumbai? Yes, you are right. Acharekar sir was the coach there, and he gave due importance to cricket, and he used to conduct summer camps. My fourth question. What was the specialty of his summer camp? Yes, anyone could come for the trial at the camp, but it was sir to decide who to accept. My fifth question. What was Acharekar sir's first impression on Sachin? Yes, Acharekar thought that he was too young to make the camp. And my sixth question. What suggestion of Ajit to Acharekar helped Sachin to overcome his nervousness? Did anyone get the answer? Yes, you are right. Ajit requested Acharekar sir, while he doing batting, sir should pretend to go away and then watch him from a distance. My seventh question. Why did Sachin feel the schedule of the camp very rigorous? Sachin felt the schedule of the camp was rigorous because he had to practice between 7:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. in every morning. Then he had to come back in the afternoon and practice till late in the evening. My last question. What served Sachin as a very personal coaching manual? Did you get the answer? Yes, you are right. During the bus journeys, Ajit used to talk about the minute batting techniques. Those conversations served as a very personal coaching manual. You have to write down these questions and answers in your notebook. Okay? Let me give you an assignment. You may please write down. My assignment is prepare a profile of Sachin using the given information. Name Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, born 24th April 1974, birthplace Mumbai, profession cricketer, known as the legend of cricket, autobiography, playing it my way, and awards. Arjuna Award in 1994, Padma Shri in 1999, Padma Vibhushan in 2008. So dear friends, do this assignment and send it to your teacher. Okay? And it is time to wind up today's English class. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.